Age-defying day concentrate. Renew and rejuvenate your skin. 50x grape and apple stem cell age-defying day concentrate. Formulated with an organic blend of vitamins, retinol, and collagen combined with the properties of resurgent stem cells from grape and apple, our boosting formula minimizes and protects against the appearance of fine lines and dark spots, as well as wrinkles throughout the day. This helps to enhance cellular turnover, and this concentrated formula is designed to begin working as soon as it's applied, so you can enjoy the results of a fresher and younger looking complexion. After protecting against the harmful effects of UV stress that are responsible for a high percentage of skin aging, our added ingredients of apple and grape stem cell extract provide additional nutrients that help to revitalize and rejuvenate your skin. Our concentrated organic blend will help to diminish the appearance of gaining and damaged skin, leaving a glowing and more radiant complexion. Minimize fine lines and wrinkles. Diminish dark spots. Enjoy UV protection. This product is nutrient-rich with grape and apple stem cell, retinol, and collagen. It enhances cellular turnover. Enjoy age-defying night concentrate, designed to penetrate deep into the layers of the skin, helping to increase cellular turnover, minimize and protect against the appearance of fine lines, dark spots, and wrinkles. And this product is formulated with an organic blend of vitamins, retinol, and collagen, combined with the properties of resurgent stem cells from grape and apple. Our boosting formula begins working as soon as it's applied, so you can enjoy the results of fresher and younger looking skin. Our added ingredients of apple and grape stem cell extract provide additional nutrients that help to revitalize and rejuvenate your skin for a more youthful glow. Minimize fine lines and wrinkles. This product works while you sleep, diminishes dark spots and even skin tone. UV protection, nutrient-rich with grape and apple stem cell, retinol, and collagen. Enhanced cellular turnover. With a skincare infuser, you will enjoy a gentle and suitable treatment designed to improve topical absorption and increase blood circulation, as well as promote cellular renewal. Set in the positive ionic function and glide your face, the power of the magnetic properties of ions will deeply penetrate into the layers of your skin, drawing out free radicals and leaving the skin clean and smooth. Set in the negative ionic function and glide your face, the power of the magnetic properties of ions will deeply penetrate into layers of your skin, allowing the moisture to absorb into the layers of your skin, leaving the skin clean and smooth, minimizing fine lines and wrinkles.